Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, guys. If you have one of those and you want to find the relay for the rear window defroster, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video. Today we'll explain how we can test the relay, and if your steel defroster is not working, we'll explain what else could be causing that. So make sure to stay until the end. Very helpful information will be shared in that video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission, we'll be fixing almost anything, guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. So specifically, we guys have a 2018 Dodge Challenger V6, but even if you have a different engine, procedure will be about the same. Now you may have two different relays for the rear window defroster, not just one. You may have two, you may have just one. This is, guys, the fuse box. How do you open? You have one notch here, one there. You squish it over each other, you pull it out, you put it to the side, and now that layout here corresponds to what do we have practically. Okay, you can see, guys, right here. Now where is now the rear window defroster relay, guys? Most people may not notice that one, but you may have two different ones, okay, depending on which version you have, which model, which year, and all that stuff. So let's go ahead, okay, and explain which one you need to test now. So it's not there, guys, it's actually in the trunk of your Dodge Challenger. Let's explain that now. It's right here, that's your trunk, perfect. Now we have the cover right here removed, but practically you just flip it, you get to here, and you have your fuse box right there. You press that thing, you open it, and okay, excuse me. Now the relay that we need to check, guys, okay, in that case will be relay number 28 if you have it. Some may not have it. It will be that second relay right here. If you're missing it, don't freak out, okay. That's not the only relay that you need to do, guys. Need to check. Then you may have one more that is known as R13 relay, and we're talking about that relay here. This will be your relay. So if you want to see how to replace relays, where to buy cheap relays from, and how to test a relay, we'll put the links in the description of the video below. It takes only a few seconds and you'll be able to find out if your relay is working or not, so check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.